finished 3 miles. I just finished running 3 miles. It's gonna rain, so I'm gonna walk back now. Like, I walk at least half a mile to come run, so I'm gonna walk back right now because it's starting to rain, and I don't Maddie don't have a thing, so I'm gonna get going, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, so I'm back in the house from my, well, I've been back in the house. I just picked up the camera, but I'm about to make me some breakfast. It's like 11:55. I usually fast. I do intermittent fasting, so I'll fast for a long period and then eat for a short window. Like, I'll fast until whatever. It's not a set time. Whenever my body feels like it's like legit starving. Let's stop with that legit word, okay? Use a different word, Janice. Like, if my body feels like it's starving, I will break the fast and eat earlier. I would usually push for like anywhere after 12 p.m. I would start eating. It's 11:56, so I'm getting ready to have me some cracker. I'm gonna be having these almond flour crackers, and they're nasty, but they're good for you because it has less than, it has less than 1 gram of sugar in there. There's dietary fiber, and there's only 18 carbohydrates for 17 crackers, so not bad. I won't have 17 crackers. I'll just have a few, and then I'm gonna have some turkey bacon and some. Look at this child, you're messing up my Ray-Dun. She's like, you shouldn't have put me up here, mother. Give it to me, give it to me. I'm about to feed Madison her lunch. Oh, she gets one of these little Gerber grabbers, and she has cereal bar, but I'm not gonna give that to her. What you had? So I'm gonna feed her. Where was I? I'm gonna feed, look at her. She's like, open my food, mama. You wanna open it? You wanna open it? You wanna come down and open? So I'm gonna feed her, feed myself, and then my husband and I are going on a little date. So he's gonna take me out on a date because he gets home around 1 o'clock. So I'm gonna make his lunch so we don't have to buy anything on the road. So I'm gonna make his lunch, and then we're gonna go on a little date. Just me, him, and the baby. Because we're working at this marriage thing. You know, we're supposed to be working at this marriage thing to make it work, to make it stronger. But yeah, I feel really bad. I just had a conversation with someone that I hold near and dear to my heart, and I kind of think I made him a bit, you know, upset, but it wasn't intentional. These, like me, I'm the type of person where I wear my emotions, what I'm feeling, everything on my sleeves, on my face, sleeve, face, whatever. And it's hard for me to hide things. I speak my mind. I tell you how I'm feeling. I tell you what's bothering me. That's just the type of person that I am. If you're that type of person to me, like, if I feel like I can trust you with things, I will speak my mind. But other than that, no. Stop. We stopped. We've been not going to church lately. Don't do that. Look at her with her little attitude. Get off of there. You're giving some attitude. But we kind of like stopped going to church for a little bit. Maddie had got sick. Maddie got better, and then we just like didn't feel the need to go. So I don't know. I just have to pray about that and see where, you know, God wants me to be. Anyways, yeah, so I left my wallet, my little jujube purse that I walk around with. This is the 3rd time losing that thing. I need to stop walking around with it because it's the 3rd time I've lost it, and it's the 3rd time that someone found it and turned it in. Will it be in the same state when I get there? Will all my credit cards be in there? Will my debit card be there? Who knows? I haven't checked the balances on any of the accounts because we have like 3 accounts. So I haven't checked the balance on those, and I haven't checked the balance on the credit cards to see if they went up or down. I don't know. the credit score, my husband's credit score dropped because one of the balance shot up, and I'm not sure that we you're doing too much, Maddie. It's my fault for putting you up here. Now you want to cry. We don't cry when we do things. Alright, calm down. Alright. So, I left my... Stop it. I left my wallet at Home Goods the other day when I rushed out of here. So, I gotta go pick it up. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Where you going, Maddie? Where you going, girl? Where you going? This little tiny human thinks she's going somewhere. Aaliyah, where you going? Going to find Daddy? It's just a leaf. He scared the crap out of her. There go Daddy. Go. 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 There go Daddy. Go. Aaliyah, come on. Let's go to Daddy. Come on. She's like, why are you out here? Up. Come on, get up. Aaliyah, come on. Up. So Hub Wubs is home. The famous Roberto is home, and we're going on our date. Not really. Look at your belly. Ooh, so big, so chubby, so wubby. Anyways, I'm gonna go hang out with my husband, like who don't have husband or butt like myself. But I'm gonna go pick up my wallet because I left my wallet at Home Goods, and then I'm gonna go hang out with my husband in Walmart. Perfect date, huh? I'm gonna go hang out in Walmart. Yeah, so I'll see you guys once we get to. I might go right down hunting. Ooh, there's nothing there. Uncomfortable. She looks so uncomfortable, doesn't she?
It's because she's slouched.
We're in Walmart Christmas department because I love Christmas. Like, look at all the trees. All the trees over there, and the lights, and the grill stuff that I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy one of everything here for my husband because he's gonna have a house next year. You know what I mean? I'm gonna buy him one of everything. So, look at this. I'm gonna get new ornaments. I like this. Tell me which one you guys like. Yeah, tell me which one you guys like. I really like this guy. It's pretty. And these trees, oh my gosh, they're really nice. Hey, look at that. I like that. Oh, this one is nice. This is a what? I think this is a 7 feet. Oh, 7.5 feet. 7.5 feet for $179. Oh, this is nice with the pine cones. Oh my gosh. Can I have it, please? Like, seriously, can I have this tree? Oh my Lord, I want this. I want this tree. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that tree. This one is pretty, but it's too thin. Too much space. You can see in between. This is nice. I really like this one. Oh my gosh, I like this. This is $149. 7.5 feet. And it has a little pine cone in between. Oh my gosh. Oh, alright, let's go.
You know I'm waiting for you. You done?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. I guess.
Let's go.
Look at the little. I'll come back by myself.
over there, I think.
I like the little mistletoe. Little hats. That's not the reason. This cranky butt man over here is messing up my day. Can you guys come and get him? I just drank an energy drink, so.
Come on, buddy. You gotta stop.
Come on, buddy. Turn, buddy. Turn, buddy.
Hey.
Huh?
Did you see it?
Who?
Here's a brake light that says stop.
No. I gotta see that.
Yeah.
Oh my word! His brake light says stop. Oh!
So dumb. And a little ass Toyota Corolla.
Let's zoom in. Oh gosh, my battery's dying.
See?
I don't see it.
That's on the back window.
Oh. Oh gosh. Just got back in the house. Hubby didn't buy me no Christmas stuff. Nothing. No Christmas. And I'm like, that's my favorite holiday is Christmas. And he didn't buy me anything, so I'm gonna buy my own. You know what I mean? I'm gonna buy my own even though we don't have no money. Kids are home from school. They're in their room because, you know, they brought home bad grades. Jordan had 11 C's.
My grandkids are here all the time.
C's mean you pass, but barely.
But yeah, that's concerning.
I want them up. I want them C's up. So kids are,
given day, there's 2 or 3
yeah.
people out there. So
anyways, what was I gonna say? Maddie's birthday party is on the way. I ordered her banner, her birthday outfit, and I'm looking to do her own, the cookies that I want. It was like $94 plus $15 shipping, so over $100 for these cookies that I want. They're like, you know, cookies with royal icing on them. $94 for 2 dozens. You have to order a minimum of 2 dozen. Cause I was like, I could do a dozen, like 40 something dollars. I could do a dozen. You know what I mean? But I'm not spending $100 for cookies that are going to end up in the toilet. No way, Jose. So I'm going to try to make it. Hubby said I can go ahead and buy a mixer, a KitchenAid stand mixer. So we're going to see if he's going to buy me one of those. Anyways, I gotta go pee. I gotta pee. I'm gonna go use the bathroom, so I gotta go. So I will see you guys. I didn't put up a video yesterday because I don't know. I didn't. I was gonna do a get to know my kids video, but then I was like, I don't want to sit down and interview them. So I'll probably do that tomorrow or Monday. My hand hurts. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye.